Hey everyone, this is Pallavi and you are watching Spoken English Adda. In today's session, you are going to learn some creative ways to say good night. Number 1, I'm going to hit the hay. I'm going to hit the hay. Number 2, I think I'll say good night now. I think I'll say good night now. Number 3, I'm going to hit the sack. I'm going to hit the sack. Number 4, I'm going to crash. I'm going to crash. Next, it's past my bedtime. It's past my bedtime. Another one, I'm off to bed. I'm off to bed. Last second, sleep well. Sleep well. And last one, guys, that you usually use is sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. So guys, these were some creative and some different ways to say good night. Using these ways, you can sound more impressive and more advanced in English. If you really find this video helpful, do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel. And yes, do not forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. We will meet in the next video. Until keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye. Have a nice day.